In this video, we're going to learn about how to install or set up Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. Okay, so the first step is to install the required extensions. So the required extensions are Python extension and Jupyter extension by Microsoft. I already have Python extension installed. So Python, here, this is already installed. So I'm going to install Jupyter. Install. So it's by Microsoft. So it's installed. So the second step is to install Jupyter in Python. The one that we just installed is the Jupyter extension. So now we're going to install Jupyter itself in VS Code. So I'm going to install it using this command, which is the classic or lightweight version of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this command, pip install notebook. So we can see that it's already installed. So requirement already satisfied. And there's another way to install Jupyter, which is this. So this is the other command. But in this video, I'm going to use the pip install notebook, which is, like I said, the classic or lightweight version of Jupyter. Okay, so now we can verify that Jupyter has been installed. So this is the command, Jupyter. Yeah, so we see that it's been installed. Okay, here, Jupyter Notebook. And IPyKernel has been installed as well. Okay, so now we can create a Jupyter Notebook file. So in my case, I'm going to create a new file with this extension. So the extension is .ipnb, which stands for Interactive Python Notebook. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to say pandas ipynb. Enter. And we can select the Python interpreter here. So we can select the Python interpreter or kernel on this side. So I'm going to select this Python version. So it's been selected. And now we can start and write code. So I have a example pandas code here, which I'm going to copy and paste. So to create or to write code, we can just click add code, paste the command or code, and then shift enter. Yeah, so we see that the code ran. So this is the output. And we can also save our notebook. So we can just Control S, and of course the notebook will be saved with this extension. So these are some of the useful shortcuts. So shift plus enter, which I just did. That's the key combination that I used to run this code here. And we can also just press A to add a cell above, or B to add a cell below, and DD to delete a cell. So these are the summary steps. So we install the VS Code extension, and we install Jupyter using the pip install notebook, and we verify the installation. We open a project folder and we create a file with this extension. We select the Python kernel and we run the cell interactively. Okay, so that's how you can set up Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.